so I know some of you think I'm a little crazy sometimes with the things that I'm doing on my videos, but oftentimes you see after a painting, I have all these wonderful things that are flowing over the side. And what I do is when they dry, I peel them up and I could use them for lots of things. Cut out things with a Cricut maker, cover them in resin and make jewelry. But for today, I'm going to try to take an old canvas that I've cleaned. It's really just an Artist Loft's board, canvas board. And I love this pattern so much that I'm going to dip this in it and hope that it comes out with something I can use. So if not, we might dip it a little bit more in this other spot over here. But I have so many skins right now. I don't really want to keep having more and more of them. So let's see what this does when I dip it. So I see I have some paint flowing that direction. I'm going to pick it up this way. Ooh, look at this. All right, so I'm going to turn it and dip in the same spot because I still like that pattern. Nice. Now I have nothing there. That's not going to be a problem because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a used paper towel. I'm going to scrunch it up and I'm going to grab some of the colors that I like. I think I want some of this copper. Let's maybe more green. We'll sponge that in that spot. I like this. More copper over here. Don't want to sponge too many times or you will lose the pattern. It will just be mud. And then as you see, I'm coming out with another painting with the same color schemes from my leftover paint. Now, isn't that fabulous? Look at that. Let's get a little bit more. All right, so just thought I'd share one of the things that you can do with your leftover paint. There we are, finished art. Beautiful. Thanks.